Hey guys, today I have a ginormous stuffed animal unicorn.
I was introduced to Kristen Miller at that point, and it was amazing. It was everything I had ever wanted.
Guys, look at this. Hold on. Let me get you a big video picture of it real quick. Just put it right there to get it set up. Okay. You guys are gonna see it. Look at that. She said, hello. Hi. She said, bye bye. Bye bye, Sarah Holly fans. I say,